When it's time to sell your house, you don't want to be the ugly duckling on the block. The old house with the chipping paint, the overgrown yard, the broken this, the broken that. But let's face it, not everyone has the time or the money to fix up their fixer-upper. Luckily, you don't have to. Hi homeowners, Corinne here with HomeLight. When it comes to selling a fixer-upper, you don't have to make it look perfect. There are 6 tricks to help you sell your house without breaking the bank. As long as there are no structural or safety issues to worry about, you can take a breath. You're in good shape. Katrina Dice, a top real estate agent in Phoenix, Arizona, has sold over 77% more properties than the average agent. She tells us that cosmetic updates aren't worth it in her market.
Because the odds are the new buyer is going to come in and change it. And you put carpet in there, they're going to want hardwood.
The first thing you have to do is look at the buyer pool in your area. There are 3 types of buyers willing to take on a house that needs work. Flippers, who will buy the house to remodel and sell at a profit. Deal hunters, who just want to be in a specific neighborhood but can't afford the average list price. And remodelers who want to get into a home with a clean slate to make it their own, especially in a sought-after neighborhood. If any of these buyers are the typical buyer in your neighborhood, you're in a good place. And now that you understand the buyers in your area, use these simple strategies to help sell your house that needs a little TLC. Clean up the yard and clear out clutter. According to the National Association of Realtors 2018 Remodeling Impact Report, realtors ranked a standard lawn care service as the #1 project that appeals to buyers again this year. Realtors also estimated that lawn care would recover 267% of the cost, estimated by landscape professionals. You don't have to fork over the big bucks for expensive landscape design. Simply clean up weeds, mow the lawn, and plant a few flower pots. Then, make small changes for a big difference. Small fixes like patching holes, deep cleaning stained tubs and toilets, fixing broken doors and hinges are cheap and easy to do yourself. The less you repair, the more equity you give away. Buyers will see these projects as big flaws and it could affect your sales price. Number 3, bring up renovation loans in your listing. Renovation loans may be one of the most useful tools when it comes to selling your fixer-upper. Buyers can factor the projected renovation costs into their total loan amount, rather than paying to make these upgrades separately. There are some workarounds for the buyer to get approved, but it's worth bringing up to people that walk through the door. Work with your realtor to make sure your listing includes language about renovation loans. Include phrases like, fixer-upper in a great location, could be your dream home with just a few upgrades. Your real estate agent can also spread this R word during showings and open houses. Buyers will be more willing to buy your fixer-upper if they know that there are resources available to help them through it. Highlight your home's features. The reality is, buyers can change the flooring and other stylistic details down the road. If they love the floor plan and love the house for what it is, they're more likely to take that leap. Highlight things like closet sizes, the master suite, fireplaces, and floor plans. A house with good bones in a desirable neighborhood is more important to buyers than easy cosmetic upgrades. Lastly, price it right. With the help of your realtor, calculate what the value of your home would be if it were remodeled. Assess the comps in your area with your agent, then calculate the cost of the upgrades needed to get your house in that condition. Whatever the buyer will need to absorb should be subtracted from the value of your home. You don't want to overprice a house that needs work because it'll just sit on the market. But underpricing risks your profit, so you'll need a real estate agent's expert advice to price your home right. With a little TLC, some cleaning supplies, and a great real estate agent, your house will sell, even though it needs some work. Find a top real estate agent to help you through the process at homelight.com.